person lives carelessly, not knowing truth or falseness, but comes to know them by coincidence. Such is none other than the path of truth. Listen, we are not separate, we never were, we are all one. Because we have established this separation between us, you and I exist, and we fail to see we are one. This oneness is truth, and it is the original you. But you have been blinded by your false self, and are thus unable to find your true self. You are of your true self when your body and mind no longer exist. The true self is the original non-existent self that is the master, which is why you are unable to see your original true self. You live clinging to yourself that was never non-existent or was ever born, and this is why you are absent of your true self. Now that I know, now that I have awakened, I see that truth is a funny game. Let us wake up together. I have found that truth is quite simple and easy.